Ano ang paborito mo sa imo pamilya kagnahan?
Thank you for that wonderful question. What I love most about my family is the unconditional love and constant support they give me. I consider myself truly blessed because from grade 1 onward, I've been an honor student, competed in singing competitions, joined in dance and music classes, and even played a sport like badminton. I wouldn't have experienced any of these opportunities without their encouragement and belief in my potential. This is why I urge every family to love and support your children, because when children feel empowered and valued, they gain the confidence to dream big and soar towards their greatest aspirations. And to my family, thank you and I love you!
That's right.